You know how 10 videos ago I said that I am just one video away from a Trisha Paytas sitting on my kitchen floor type of breakdown? Well, welcome to that. Sorry for cursing, but I'm pissed off. I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks. I don't even know where to start. I'm just so over it. Like, honestly. I don't know why these things happen to me. I think that I'm just cursed. Perhaps it's because my name's Salem, and you know Salem witch trials. Who knows? Maybe I've been hexed since I was born. But literally everything that could go wrong in my filming process went wrong. So let's do a little story time real quick, shall we? I had this brilliant idea of doing a let's play of a game called Animal Crossing. You know, with the cute little animals that are so adorable and they talk like this. And it was going to be this huge thing. It was going to be me actually buying a game. I even went to a vintage gaming store to get myself a DS and also buy the game, and I was going to do a tour of that vintage store. I wake up today, you know, doing my final outro of the content, and all my stuff got deleted. Every single thing got deleted. I have under eye circles and bags right now because I was freaking all night because none of it, I guess, synced up to my Google Photos. None of it synced up. Nothing is in the files, and nothing is in my archive, and nothing is even in my trash. And I was like, okay, this has happened to me before. Yes, this has happened to me before. So maybe it's just in my other Google account. I go to that Google account, I look through that photos. Everything has been deleted. Keep in mind, this has happened to me multiple times where I had to put all of my videos on pause because nothing is working out for me. And I don't know why I haven't learned my lesson. I don't know why I keep filming with the phone, but I keep doing it. And so naturally, as I'm having a mental breakdown, the first person that I call is my sister Peniel. And I was just bawling on the phone and I was like, I can't believe this. I'm so tired of this happening to me. This is the 7th time this has happened to me. It literally backs up my schedule so much to the point where I don't upload for a whole entire month. I don't know why my phone sucks. Maybe it's because I have an Android, but my Google account isn't working. My phone is constantly deleting my footage. I don't know what the hell is going on. And Peniel even told me that she's gone through this so many times, and she's had mental breakdown after crying and all type of stuff. And she just told me, you know what? You need to go get a camera. Look, I know a lot of people think just because I'm a makeup artist, I live that bougie life. Do I look like Jeffree Star? Do I look like James Charles? If so, I don't got that Jeffree Star or James Charles money. And I'm just like, I kept holding it off because they're really expensive, okay? Dude, I don't own like, I don't know, what's a fancy car? I don't know the breeds of car, okay? But I don't have a fancy car, okay? I'm literally a full-time college student. I can't afford that type of stuff. But I finally saved up and I do want to go buy one. So instead of giving you guys your Animal Crossing video, which I will eventually do, I am going to take you on an adventure with me and Peniel to go get a camera. What are you watching? First image. I can't. It didn't end up working at all.
What?
The video. So what do you propose that we do?
I propose everyone comment, like, and subscribe.
That's a good one.
That's a really good idea. I think that would help you. Yeah. Comment, like, and subscribe so Sam can get some coins so she can actually have some nice equipment so she doesn't call me every other day crying because her phone crapped out on her and the footage is not updating.
So, let's go get you a camera. Come on, vamonos. Everybody, let's go.
I'm not driving.
Come on, let's. I don't want to drive. Are you gonna drive? Pues ni modo. You're so ugly, I swear. we out here. Finally gonna get a new camera. Is that the jingle? Oh my god, Queen! Copyright that right now. No one else can use it. Why buy electronics anywhere else? Bye. Do you have $850?
Yeah. Oh, dang.
That don't mean I want to spend it.
Oh, that's true. So you want a flip out screen for sure.
Yeah.
Flip out screen. Autofocus. Does it have autofocus? Autofocus is gonna change your life.
My hair's so staticky. Curly penny. Give me advice on that.
Cut it off. Use diva girl. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I'm not putting that in there. Look, I'm David Dobrik.
Where's my Tesla? Where is my Tesla? Where is my Tesla?
Guys, I'm scared.
Are you gonna want an external mic? Like it.
This one? What do you think of this one? I think it's pretty cheap, in my opinion.
It has good reviews too. Look, 4.8 stars.
And it's slim and portable.
Yeah, let's see. Has a little flip out screen, you know.
Okay.
Has some autofocus, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. You don't need nothing too fancy.
Yeah. Well,
I mean, you're not filming on National Geographic.
but definitely after buying this camera, I'm gonna have to get myself a sponsorship quick.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe in your next video?
Maybe in my next video, I might be sponsored by Function of Beauty. Who knows? I don't know. But until then, this video they're watching right now is sponsored by me and my poor ass pockets.
This message comes from viewers like you. Thank you.
Did you just insult my whole entire audience calling them poor?
I'm talking about the PBS kids.
Because you said sponsors like you and I said I was poor.
You dug too deep. I didn't say nothing like that.
No, I'm exposing you. Guys, unsubscribe, okay? Not from me, but from Pino. Unsubscribe.
And Sigla.
Wait, so we're looking at the bundle deal instead? It looks good, guys. Sorry I'm not super rich like David Dobrik and you. Ew.
I'm not rich. I don't even buy my clothes.
I'm keeping that in and I'm exposing you.
You didn't buy that shirt either. Dude, that's what I thought.
What brand? She just got a camera. She just got a camera. Are you taping it? Or are you videoing?
Inspire.
What?
Your box says inspire.
Are you finished?
Just let's do a voiceover at Best Buy. Ready?
Anyways, my bank account is crying right now.
Good thing you have good thing this video is sponsored.
Hey guys, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Actually, it's not. But they did reach out to me, but they offered me like $10. So,
per download or?
No, sis.
Wait, geez, not even per download?
No, sis. No.
They actually reached out to me too, but I was like, bro, I don't even game. I mean, I game, but not...
We game, but not that type of game.
In front of people. Oh my gosh, this person almost hit my car with their car door.
Do they even know who we think we are?
Is that from Shrek?
Yes. Give me a kiss. Oh, there it is. I couldn't find it. Okay. Hello. It is I, Salem, your favorite internet uncle, with a brand new camera. Can you guys see the quality difference? The setup is really nice. I can see, I can see my dandruff from here. Anyways, I'm back at my house. My hair is still messy. I'm really happy that I finally was able to get a camera, and I even got the creator set, which comes with like a lot of cool stuff and everything. I just wanted to end this video by saying I've been using my phone to film videos for like the last year, and anyways, and it has constantly deleted my footage. It has constantly messed up my footage, and I was just tired of it, and that's the reason why I can't consistently upload. What I've learned so far is that you should not film with your phone. Just don't film with your phone. Just don't film with your phone. Videos that I did post consistently, I had to go all the way to Peniel's house to film there because I didn't own a camera, and it was just a huge mess. And obviously it's extremely time consuming to have to drive to someone's house and then film there, pack up your equipment, pack up the stuff you're gonna use, and then you're gonna have to transfer the files, and it's a lot. So now that I have a camera, I know for a fact that I will be able to upload, you know, more consistently. I just wanted to end this video by saying just thank you guys so much for supporting me. Last year I was making absolutely like no money, and I know it's something small to be able to like afford a camera, but just like a week ago I was able to buy my first bike. And I know it's really small and it might come off as like, oh, it's not a really big deal, but it is a big deal to me that I have what I consider a luxury where I can go and finally buy a camera and a bike and stuff like that. And it's really humbling, and I feel very grateful for like, I feel really grateful that I'm able to do that now. Anyways, I don't like being personal on my channel because it's weird, but anyways, just felt like I had to be transparent with my audience for once because I haven't uploaded in a whole entire month, and I don't know, I'm just like very brave for being vulnerable on camera right now, you know? Oh my god, that acting was so good. Disney hit me up for a contract. Literally, oh. What the hell? Don't be shy, put some more. Put some more, don't be shy. Comment down below what other videos you guys actually want to see now, because I'm actually going to be able to do good quality videos. Finally. And with all that, thank you guys so much. Like and subscribe if you want. I don't know, it's your guys' life. Moral of this video, now that I've had my Trisha Paytas meltdown, I can only get worse from here. Alright, bye guys!
Are you gonna want an external mic?